American Natural Gas, a Beyond Six company, strives to decarbonize American logistics through the implementation of clean fuels, such as renewable natural gas. By working alongside key partners like American Natural Gas, Anheuser-Busch is one step closer to achieving their 2025 sustainability goals.
At Anheuser-Busch, sustainability is not just related to our business, it is our business. Beer is a natural product and a healthy environment is a key ingredient to the brewing process. That's why we are committed to protecting the environment across our entire supply chain through our 2025 sustainability goals.
By replacing more than 180 diesel-powered vehicles with renewable natural gas-powered vehicles, Anheuser-Busch reduced their carbon footprint by more than 70% compared to conventional diesel. Anheuser-Busch is expected to reduce more than 18,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent in 2021. To put this in perspective, this is the carbon sequestration equivalent of 300,000 tree seedlings over 10 years. We hope transformative efforts from corporate leaders like Anheuser-Busch serve as a catalyst for nationwide decarbonization, technology innovation, air quality improvement, and so much more. Nothing can stop what we can do together.